going to cloth. Nurses are encouraged to cough into their clothing. There are videos made to encourage and remind us. Why don't we do it in our sleeves on the following site on YouTube? All over I see people coughing into their hands, so I thought it was time to share with everyone what nurses already know during the season of viruses. Germs on your skin flourish with nutrients and water that are there. Hand washing can remove most of the germs and help to prevent most viruses from getting a hold of you. Use your sleeve, your collar, a pillow, whatever works for you. So end germs' lives and cough into your clothing. Don't forget to wash or sanitize your hands. The life you save may be your own. See you next week.